dissonance. These are powerful principles that we'll talk quite a bit about. So cognitive dissonance is this state of mental and emotional anguish that we feel when our current state is not what we believe it should be. The perfect story for this is in the Aesop's fables, the fox and the sour grapes. Do you guys remember the story of the sour grapes? So he goes up there and then the fox is like, oh my gosh, those grapes in the tree. Like, do grapes grow in trees? Like, I didn't know grapes grow. But anyway, he's like, the grapes in that tree look so delicious. So he jumps and he tries to get him, and he can't get him because he's not tall enough, and he's a fox. So finally he sits down and he's like, those grapes are sour. So we do this. So as soon as we have a belief, we will look for things that confirm that belief. And we will assimilate information in a way to confirm that belief. So the moment you start to believe I'm inadequate, you'll find all kinds of confirmation for that belief. You'll find ample evidence. It'll surface everywhere and you'll be like, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. And all of a sudden we're a victim. You have to build up, like part of being someone who is successful in life, part of being someone who is able to reach and sustain levels of individual excellence is building up this internal, emotional, and mental resiliency where you're able to be like, I don't care what the behaviors are. I don't care what the results are. I don't care what my environment says. I don't care what the outcomes are. Like, I believe, and that's enough. Because if I believe hard enough and strong enough and long enough, I know that the outcomes are going to change.